Can you believe it's been a decade since the first ever iPhone was launched? Since then, the iPhone has practically taken over the world as the most successful smartphone the world has ever seen. Tons of competitors have entered and left the market, but the global success of the iPhone remains unmatched to this day. With Apple selling over 1.6 billion units of the iPhone over the past decade, how exactly did the iPhone come to be? Let's find out. But before getting started, please take a second to subscribe to our channel to get all the coolest news and updates. Apple debuted their first ever phone, the iPhone, in 2007 after the company had already been manufacturing personal computers for a while. People who worked at Apple in the 2000s reported that the company's best engineers and designers would be taken away and put in a secret team that no one on the outside knew anything about. This group of people continued to work together for years, developing what would go on to become Apple's most revolutionary product, the iPhone. While Apple had made an image for itself as the creator of MacBooks, these laptops never helped the company gain enough shares in the market to build momentum. Then came the iPod, which was far more successful. With nearly everyone rushing to stores to get the iPod, the question was, what is Apple going to do next? While people thought the company might come out with a camera or maybe even a car, Apple decided to take a leap of faith and experiment with something that the world hadn't seen before: a smartphone. It all started when Steve Jobs returned to Apple in 1997 and helped the company redirect its focus to product development. Apple re-emerged as a cultural and economic force with the iPod, which helped the company enter the world of consumer electronics and gave Apple the blueprint they needed for the iPhone. Which is why, in January 2007, Steve Jobs launched the iPhone and introduced it as a combination of the iPod, a phone and a computer that uses the internet. The first ever iPhone featured a 3.5-inch screen, a multi-touch